Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos on Monday 11th of March with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at sterling dollar, where we've again moved to another negative candle on Friday, moving lower on this morning's move, although we have rebounded off 29.47 on the Reuters chart. And the outlook isn't as bad as it was early doors today, but certainly still down 20-30 pips on the day is not great, considering everything else is broadly flat. You can see this run of negative candles on sterling dollar. Certainly technically we are corrective, and you've got the acceleration lower on MACD lines and stochastics. RSI in the mid 40s. Certainly if it went below 40, that would be a really negative signal, certainly on a near-term basis. But the problem I think you've got with trading sterling at the moment is that you've got all these key Brexit votes in the coming days. Now, obviously, that could change, and Theresa May might even pull the vote, from what I understand. But yeah, there's starting tomorrow. There are a series of key votes in Parliament potentially that could define the direction of Brexit altogether, and subsequently it's difficult to really suggest that we're going to be going strongly lower. You're basically back into a whole range of pivot bands, and 29.20 is the next real one that to be considered. But breaking down below all these other ones at 30 big figure, 30.50, 31 big figure area, just suggests that the near-term outlook is still negative technically. But whether that continues on these votes or not is impossible to say. It's still likely as though that these votes are going to define a softer Brexit outcome, so subsequently the chances are that this corrective move is going to be a chance to buy. Now, break up above 31 figure, I think, would be the trigger for a recovery. 30.50 is, as I said, a pivot line and a bit of initial resistance, but 31 figure again, also move above that and you start to really regenerate momentum for the upside. But technically at the moment the outlook is still negative near term, but will that change in the coming days? I think it probably will be. Now you can argue that you've got a downtrend there again that comes in around 31 figure at the moment on the hourly chart. So I wish you good luck in trading today, and I'll speak to you later.